This is the Vityaz DT-30, a formidable all-terrain transport vehicle born from the ingenuity of the Soviet Union in 1981. This beast was designed to conquer the harshest weather and terrains, effortlessly navigating through swamps, sandy deserts, and snowy landscapes with its exceptional off-road capabilities. Built for extreme conditions, the DT-30 boasts remarkable features, including a robust articulated structure, a weight of 58 tons, a length of 45 feet, a width of 9.1 feet, and a height of 8.9 feet. Its two independent sealed, welded bodies ensure durability and reliability, making it a standout performer in Russia's northern regions, Siberia, the Far East, and even deserts. Under the hood lies a powerful 12-cylinder multi-fuel engine, transferring torque through a hydro-mechanical transmission to the bevel gearing and final drive units. The drive sprockets of both van bodies are powered, showcasing the vehicle's prowess in handling challenging terrains. One of its unique design features is the unconventional arrangement of 4 active track envelopes, providing substantial surface contact with the ground for enhanced stability. The forced folding of its units allows for dynamic maneuvers, ensuring optimal traction during linear movements and turns. This means the DT-30 can effortlessly navigate through sand, swamps, and snow as if it were on flat ground, even at its maximum weight of 60 tons. Now the burning question, how much do you think this beast is worth? Share your thoughts in the comments.